Time for another fix and list. We are here today in Poolesville to come check out this house, talk to these sellers to show them what we can do for them. They are considering moving and downsizing, and we're going to go through, review what we're going to change and to get this house ready. And I've already sat and met with them, so we already know what they want on the buy side. We're going to get them connected with one of my lenders and just get the process rolling. So let's go take a look at this thing and we'll start the process of another fix and list. All right, outside we have a 2-car garage, brick and siding on the front. Great overall, cute little front porch. And in here is the foyer with engineered wood that they installed about 20 years ago. So we're going to end up changing this out likely to LVP. And a nice family room with wood burning stove. And a half bath here. Floor looks good. And then just some storage and access to the crawl space. Just across the hall is the laundry room and extra fridge space. And a garage. There we go. Works a whole lot better. A lot of times this thing just soaks up so much light that half the time I don't even need an extra light, but it certainly helps. Thank you, sir.
No, these are the cabinets I put in.
Okay. Yeah, great use of
Along with
space.
the other ones out there. The whole thing was full.
Oh, I don't doubt that.
And then my wife wanted most of them gone.
Right.
So now they're in Damascus in my brother-in-law and sister's basement.
So the windows were all done in 2013. I'm looking to do new carpet in here. And in the dining room. Kitchen has been updated. Already has LVP. Does have the original cabinet, which we're going to change out the hardware. So we're going to change this out and put some pulls on it and then paint the cabinets to match what they've already painted over here. And then this is part of the addition. We're looking to do new carpet in here as well. Check out the bedrooms. Over here is bedroom number 1. New carpet going in here. Ceiling fan with light. The hall bath, we're going to need a new transition strip here. Make sure the grout lines are all good. Might need to touch them up a little bit. And in the shower, same thing, touch up the grout lines, re-caulk the corners. Over here, they've already pulled the carpet. So we got new carpet going in here. New doors over there. Now down towards the addition side. So this used to be the master. And just across was the old master bath. And awesome tile work. And now the new master. So this is over top of that really large space downstairs. Tons and tons of natural light. Cathedral ceilings. New carpet going in here. Big walk-in closet. And a master bath with standing shower, tile matching that other bathroom. Came out great. And just off the back is a... Uh-huh.
Shut, make sure it's shut, please.
Yes, sir. Great patio space. That HVAC is from 2015. The addition was 2013. They did the fence a couple of years ago. And previously they had a hot tub out here before they put the patio in. So there is a large electrical line there. And the second HVAC. And they rebuilt that chimney a couple years ago. Turned out beautiful. And a little bit of touch-up paint on this trim board right here. Awesome little garden space. What did you think? Oh, and we're gonna do some power washing as well. What did you think? Pretty nice house, isn't it? So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna get them into their new home and get this thing sold. I've got them connecting with my lender. I've got my flooring guy coming over to price everything out, take measurements, and we don't know what time frame is, but we'll figure it out as we go. See you on the next one.